Welcome to OnceHub tutorials. My name is Koulic, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove the OnceHub banner from your booking calendars. We know you love to customize, and so do we. With OnceHub, you can tailor every detail to match your brand, and on our paid plans, you can almost entirely remove our branding. Let me show you how this can be done. By default, in our booking calendars, on the top right, it says Powered by OnceHub. Let's try to remove this. We'll need to sign in to our OnceHub account. On our home page, on the top right, we see the gear icon that says Accounts. Let's click on that and select Settings and Permissions. Here, you'll find the OnceHub branding toggle. We need to turn that off and then click on Save. Let me show you how my booking calendar looks now. See, we no longer have that Powered by OnceHub banner on the top right. That's it. If you have any questions, do reach out to our support channel and we'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more such OnceHub tutorials. Thank you for watching.